So, I have a problem here for you today. You can read the problem.
1/4, 1/6
1/4 plus
1/6 plus
1/8 equals, write your equals. Now, based on all the other activities we've been doing, we can find the common denominator of these fractions just by adding all the denominators, right?
Yes.
So, if we, no, not adding, multiplying, by multiplying the denominators,
Yes.
okay? Now, let's try to do that and see what we get. If you multiply 4 by 6, what will we get? 4 times 6.
24.
24 times 8.
192.
192. But let's think about this. If we get a common denominator by multiplying 4 times 6 times 8, this gives us a common multiple of 4, 6, 8. Now remember when we did the LCM work, when we found common multiple of 4, 6, 8, you remember?
Yes.
Okay, let's use the same technique to find out the common multiple of 4, 6, 8. So let's draw our factor trees here. 4. So under
2. Okay. 2 will go 1.
okay.
For 6.
Your 6 is not showing properly.
6. 6 will go 2. 3. 2 wouldn't go
Okay.
for 3. So the next prime number is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1.
Now write your next number.
8. 2 will go in 8. That's 4. 2 will go in 4. That's 2. And 2 will go in 2. That's 1.
So you mean you can divide 8 divided by 2, 4, right?
Yes.
4 divided by 2,
2.
2. 2 divided by 2,
1.
Okay, now let's find the LCM of these numbers. So write their prime factors.
Prime factor of 4 equals 2 times 2. Prime factor of 6 equals 2 times 3. Prime factor of 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2.
Now let's find the LCM of 4, 6, 8. Right, you can write here. LCM.
LCM of 4, 6, 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. Because 2.
You have 2 and 3 times, right? It appears
Yes.
3 times are the highest number of times. Is there any other factor?
Yes, 3
So,
times 3.
okay.
So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24.
Right, equals 24.
Equals 24.
24. So we've seen that the common denominator for these numbers 4, 6, 8 is what?
24.
24. Okay. So we can go ahead and solve our problem now that we know the common denominator. Now let's see. Write your 1/4. Write the first Write 1/4 here. Just underneath, write 1/4. Or wait, let me give you another paper. Now you have your 1/4. So write your 1/4.
1/4.
What did you say is the common denominator?
24.
24. So write 24 here. Now look at this. What do we do to 4 to make it 24?
Multiply it by 6.
And remember, whatever we do to the denominator, we do the same thing to
The numerator.
numerator. So go ahead and do that.
Equals 1 times 6 equals 6.
Okay, so 6/24. Now the next addend, 1/6. Write 1/6. Give space, please.
1/6.
Now write your 24 as a common denominator.
24.
Okay. Now what do we do to 6 to make it 24?
Multiply it by 4.
Okay, so go ahead and remember, whatever you do to the denominator, you do the same thing to.
The numerator.
So go ahead and do that.
Times 4 times 4 equals 1 times 4 equals 4. The next one, 1/8.
1/8.
1/8 for 24.
So what do you do to 8 to make it 24?
Multiply it by 3.
Whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the.
Numerator
So go ahead and do that.
times 3 times 3 equals 1 times 3 equals 3.
Okay, now we have fractions with their common denominator, right?
Yes.
Of 24. So now let's add them together. So what we are doing is 6.
6/4 plus 4/4 plus 3/4 equals 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13/24.
So when you find the common denominator this way by using the LCM, as we have done, by using the LCM of the denominators, it is called the lowest common denominator or least common denominator. Okay, we can use 192 by multiplying the denominators, but then we'll have to do more work in reducing the fraction pieces to the lowest number of pieces.
Yes.